guys, it's Jade. As you can see, I got a huge package. It's shipped all the way from China. I'm so excited because it took 2 months to get here. I actually don't remember what I ordered, to be honest. So without further ado, let's get started. It's hard to open. So first thing I got is sanitary pads. I don't know why I got so many, but it's very cheap compared to, Americans. Wow. So many. And the next thing is a single-use facial towel. Okay, I got 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I really like this shampoo. I'm gonna stick on using these things to help me to clean my head. Also, it's very cheap. It's so tiny. Concealer, eyebrow pencil. I have a bigger size back in China, and this time I use this one mini pencil brush. It's so tiny. Oh, I like it. So cute. Eyeliner. Also eyeliner. It's brushes for makeup, the Chinese brand. I saw a lot of Chinese influencer recommends this brush, so I bought them. Makeup brushes home. Home. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. I didn't buy it, so I think it's a gift. So soft. I like it. So cute. It's so soft. I like it. Tail, fish tail. Like a 美人鱼 beauty tail for foundation. To this box. Looks very sleek. Oh, this is for Kai. So he can put his iPhone on the car without holding it. The price is very good. Here you go, Kai. For Valentine's Day. Thank me though. So let's go on. This is from my mom. All the medicines like 999 to pretend cold or whatever. Thanks, Mom. And this bag is also from my mom. A lot of my own stuff, like a puffer jacket. And this one I'm gonna to recommend to you guys. This is a Chinese surfer soap. Sulfur soap. It's very good to remove spots on your back and anything and anywhere else. It's very good and it's so cheap. I really like it. So cheap. You cannot imagine. So I asked my mom to buy more for me, so I can use when I taking shower. Phone holder from my mom. I scroll on our phones more convenient. Oh, this clothes is my favorite one for winter. It's so sleek and it's made by ship. I like it. And this one is also from my mom. I use it for about, I think, 4 years or 5 years. I use it for you know, to scrubbing my back with this soap. It's so good to help me remove my spots on the back. The scarf, I bought it on Taobao. I really like it. It's very classic, I think.
Just like a Burberry.
Let's try it on. It's not a Burberry. Burberry is classic brown and white or red. Oh, it's so soft. There's no any old smell. What do you think, Kaik?
Yeah, that's good.
It's good? What do you think, guys? It's so soft. I really like it.
So soft.
So soft.
So soft.
I can just, you know, it's the most. Yeah. And I think you can. No. Look how many new clothes I've got from Taobao. I'm really excited. Let's check them out because I really don't remember what I ordered. So the first one is, oh, what is this? The color is so beautiful. Beauty, beauty. Oh, I see. It's a skirt. It's a skirt. I will try it on and I will put my pictures on the side so you can see it. It's a very beautiful clean blue. 克兰英蓝. I don't know how to describe it, but the color is very good. And there is a little design here. Okay, next one. Oh, this is a 卫裤. This is also a pants. Because I'm very short, so I cannot find some pants for me. So I decide to buy my own pants on Taobao. I got a lot of pants this time. Another pants. I like this color. I didn't have the similar color in my closet, so I think it's very casual color. It's very casual color. This is the orange sweater. Look how shiny this color. Look. I like this color. It's so shiny and it's so, again, it's so soft. like my dad's clothes. Sheep fur. Sheep fur. Right? Sheep fur. Pants.
Another one.
这个运动裤咋说来啊 ？Different color.
Jogger.
Different color. This is green and another one is dark blue. I think I will wear them often because it's very yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how to. Oh, come on. Another pants. What?
Another pen.
This is a jeans. Okay, that's it. And
While I was editing this vlog, it dawned on me that the prices are insane. As you guys know, China used to be known for manufacturing, but now more and more Chinese brands are coming out with their own designs, and the quality is so good, as you can see in this video. And what really surprised me is that at the same quality level, the prices are way lower
This is
than
what
most
I've
big
got.
name brands. Like, it's actually
Look how
insane.
many.
That's why I'd rather wait 2 months than buy clothes here in the States.